Hi, this is Brian Pasch, and I'm excited about the upcoming Automotive Marketing Bootcamp for Fixed Ops, a live stream event on September 10th. You know, I've been writing a lot about local search marketing, and one department of the automotive retail industry that benefits the most from local SEO and local search marketing is service. Yet, so many dealers have missed the opportunities that are now available to them to have a better marketing strategy to fill those service bays. We're going to be talking about the role of Google My Business in local search marketing. We're going to be talking about the importance of SEO and content in your local service marketing campaigns. And then we're also going to be talking about service attribution. We're going to be talking about new methods, including the new Facebook attribution tool, where you can actually match your service repair orders to Facebook ad campaigns to see how much revenue was generated from your Facebook advertising. Remember, Facebook allows you to do custom audiences, lookalike audiences, brand awareness campaigns, but in the past, service directors have asked, how do I know how much revenue those campaigns brought? Well, the good news is Facebook attribution allows really clear reporting, and you're going to want to learn about that. Of course, we're going to be talking about new ways to communicate with your clients online, including replacement ideas for your online service scheduler. Why not have an online conversation with consumers right when they're on their website instead of playing the game that, well, maybe they fill out a form and you get back to them, or you pray that they know how to use the service scheduler? Why not have a conversation? We're going to be talking about the most important ways to elevate your dealership in local search on social media, how to get more service appointments, how to better retain your service customers. All of that is included in the one-day Automotive Bootcamp for Fixed Ops. So what are you waiting for? Reach out to our team and get registered for the event. It's so simple. Just go to brianpasch.com, click on the events button, go to the bootcamp, and get your team registered. The conference is affordable, cutting edge, and best of all of the sessions will be online for 30 days. So if you can't see all the content on September 10th, or you're traveling or busy, well, don't worry. You'll have access to every workshop, every speaker online for 30 days. It makes automotive education, especially in the area of fixed operations, more efficient for you and your team. No travel, no hotel, no time out of the dealership. Well, what are you waiting for? Get your team registered. Just go to brianpasch.com, click on the events, look for Bootcamp, and get your team registered. I'll see you online.